This is the 2007 Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza boasts of a very powerful look and very high speeds, very high pickup when it comes to acceleration, because it has a boxer engine. When we speak of boxer engines, we talk about the horizontal cylinders. These are capable of producing a rush of power to enable you to take off at very high speeds. This particular one has the front spoiler, as you can see down here. This is an aftermarket add-on. You see also on the side we have one here and we have one at the back. The wheels are the factory wheels, but these can be replaced with the alloy wheels on the aftermarket market. The side profile commands respect because of the beautiful shapes. The bonnet is really big and it is long to accommodate the 4-cylinder boxer engine. The shapes at the top and at the back right there are really beautiful and they make the car really stand out. Now let's look at the back, because at the back I really like these rear lights. The brake lights really look beautiful. Look at that. When you see this car from the back, you are really impressed with the design, and you can tell that the engineers at Subaru really put in a lot of knowledge and enthusiasm in designing this car. This is the Impreza. Let's check out the inside and see how this car looks. If you want to buy this car, it is available right now at Kalungi Motors in Ndeva, Uganda. Contact me using the contact in the description and I will be able to guide you on which features to look for, because you will find a bond with so many of these cars and you will not know which one to select. I can guide you through that process. That is a paid service, and I can assure you it will really be beneficial to you. Very nice. The gauge cluster of the Subaru Impreza is really beautiful. Look at those cars. It was well designed. The center console does not have much, mainly air vents, some control for the media, climate control right here. We have a screen that shows the time up there and some few other controls. Then we have our glove compartment here. It is not that big. The storage in this car is not massive, but it is a very compact car when you sit on the inside. It seems a bit compact, but when you are in it, you will really enjoy the speed of this car. It is designed for speed. As you can see, it has the drive option right here, and it also has the sport mode where you are able to lower the gear or increase the gear using this gear selector. The handbrake is the one where you use your arm, not the one where you use your foot. I think this is good mostly for those people who want to do turns, you know, where you are skidding on the road. This is a good one. The storage is just as little as you would expect. The car is mainly focused on speed and enjoying the experience of driving it. Forgive the noise. Okay, so let's go to the back and we see how it feels to be a passenger in the Subaru Impreza. being a passenger in the Subaru Impreza, it is okay but not that good. You see, I don't have a lot of leg room. My legs are really touching the front seat. I know it can be extended, but still it is a bit squeezed in here. The headroom is not that much. The headroom is just sufficient. As you can see, it's just sufficient. And when we check the back, the boot is also not that spacious. It is just compact. This car is not meant for a family car. It's not meant to be used as a family car. It's mostly for individuals who want to enjoy the driving experience. So let's try to fold this chair and we see how we can increase the boot space. First we lower this like this, and then we pull this latch here like this, and when you pull the latch, this folds down and gives you more storage space. If you've seen this on the road, then you know this car is a beast. I like this one because it has the fog lights. It has the fog lights down here. The front spoiler is nice, but this is added on. As you can see from the seams here, you can see it's an addition. Someone bought a body kit and installed it. When it comes from the factory, rarely does it come with this. You can install it on the aftermarket. The lights are really bright in the night, and this car is so low down to the ground, they will rarely shine into the opposite driver's eyes. So these lights really give it a very cool look. We have the revered Subaru logo just here. And when you take a look at the side profile, it's really a majestic car, and it also commands respect. You see the bonnet is really big, it's long, so it shows you that the boxer engine that is in here is a serious engine. Now let's go over the technical specifications of the Subaru Impreza 2007 model. The car has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine. Boxer engines are the ones that have horizontal pistons, so we call them boxer engines because the pistons face each other. Two pistons face left, two pistons face right. So as they operate, they look like boxers. It is able to produce 170 horsepower and a torque of 170 pound-feet of torque. It has two kinds of transmission: the 5-speed manual transmission and the 4-speed automatic transmission. This car has the all-wheel drive drivetrain, which is common in all Subarus. This one allows the car to decide when to send power to the rear wheels as they are connected full time. It has independent suspension for the front and the rear wheels. It also has disc brakes all round. It has a fuel economy of 8.7 kilometers per liter in the city, 10.2 kilometers per liter on the highway. These are the manual transmission numbers. For the automatic transmission, it is able to do 7.8 kilometers per liter in the city and 9.4 kilometers per liter in the highway. The car weighs in at about 3 tons and uses 205/55 R16 tires. As you can see, as you can see, the